Jeff, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib sinel na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
If you want a coin flip road trip in
Tandaan niyo yung dalawa. Marriage is not a relationship between two perfect persons. Kung ang mga dapat magpakasal ay ang mga taong hindi nagkakamali, wala na akong dapat magpakasal. No? Marriage is a relationship between two forgiving individuals.
Baby, I love doing life with you. You're everything I wanna wake up to. Give you all of my heart. The moon
Ang wish ko sa iyo, sana magmahala kay Ninel hanggang sa pagtanda niya.
is love. Baby, I love doing life with you. Yeah. Thought I was good on my own, taking life all alone, but that was before my heart had a home. 'Cause baby, I love doing life with you. You're everything I wanna wake up to. Give you all of my heart, the moon and the stars, till my time here on earth is through. 'Cause I just love, baby, I love doing life with you.
Ating saksihan ang inaabangan sa araw ng kasal, ang unang halik bilang mag-asawa.
Maraming masasayang moments. Siyempre, mas maraming masaya. Mas maraming masaya. Pero siyempre, may mga challenges din, hindi naman maiiwasan. But at least, ito, magpapa-church wedding pa kami. Nakarating kami sa 18 years.
Sa una, masaya. Siyempre dumating din time na mayroong malungkot, may struggle. Pero totally naman, magkasama kami sa 18 years. Roller coaster, pero masaya. Masaya kami nagkasama ng 18 years.
It's true, 'cause you can see it when I look at you. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you. You make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything. You're a carousel, you're a wishing well.
Sabi ko lang sa kanya, salamat sa lahat. Naging okay. Medyo naiyak ako agad ako. 18 years, full of blessed. Siguro isa lang talaga hindi nabigay sa atin, pero full of blessed. Lahat ng hiningi natin, binigay. Pero, ano natin, after the wedding, bigay sa atin. Yung last na lang na yun. I love you. Alam mo naman yung lagi. Mahal na mahal kita. Baby nga kita, di ba?
And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you. You make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything.
Magpapasalamat lang ako sa kanya. Kasi di niya ako tinakbuhan. Umattend siya. And salamat sa pag-aalaga, sa suporta, at sa sandamakmak na pagmamahal. Liglig, lubos at umaapaw na pagmamahal. Yun, sana wag siya magbabago hanggang kami ay nakaratay na.
Make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything, your every song, and I sing along, 'cause you're my everything.